Hello, my name is Francisco Felix, and today we will show you how to assemble and install the sliding glass door 5570 on packet configuration. In this video, we will show you how to unbox the product, and also we will see some of the suggested tools to do this job. Here we have some of the suggested tools to do this job, such as the appropriate sealant, impact drill, level, laser level, Phillips screwdriver number 3, regular Phillips screwdriver, flat screwdriver, snips, knife, mallet, block, sucking cup, and a tape measure. Now we have the panels and the main frame. This door will be a packet ride configuration. Now I will proceed to safely cut the wrapping plastic of the main frame. We can see here all the parts and components that come in the frame package, such as part bags, P-hook, P-hook adapter, P-hook cover, seal cover, seal track insert, seal end cap, screw cover, seal riser, jump cover, continuous header rail, header, the seal, and the jump. To recap, we show you how to unpack the product. Also, we saw some of the suggested tools to do this job. In the next video, I will show you how to assemble the main frame and how and where to apply the sealant.